Evans ymlaen, y flic yn glyfar, mae Roscoe yn trio manteisio hon. Owen yn y canol. Roscoe yn parhau ac yn ergydio! Alex Ramsey yn y gol. Yn dangos i ddoniau, nid y gol o'r mwyaf. Mi oedd eisiau fe fod yn wylio dwrus. Mi oedd Roscoe yn aros am y cyfle yna. Chubb a Lewis yn symud, Chubb ar y postyn pellaf, peniad y wych, ond yr arbediad y well. Chubb yn dianc rhag yr amddiffynwyr, yn ymddangos ar y postyn pellaf. Dim ond pawenne fawr, Alex Ramsey yn y gol, yn cadw sgôr yn gyfartal. Gornel felly i'r ymwelwyr. Ni hon Lewis sy'n yma, Chubb yna! Oedd hi ar y linell, a rhywsut y bala yn dianc. A rhywsut Met Caerdydd yn methu sgori. Wel, Chubb dwi'n credu y cefnwr de unwaith eto ar cyfle. Anodd iawn gweud pwy gliriodd y bêl. Shannon nôl i'r canol. Ymwelwyr yn methu clirio, dyma Mendes. Cyfle i fentro. Yn tynnu ddyn nhw lawr y ge. Dim trosydd nid yr dyfarnwr, penderfyniad mawr. Tîm rheoli y bala yn ganryll. Mae Rydion Morgan yn barod, mae'n hyrddio hon i'r canol. Ramsey ar dyrniad, ddim yn bell iawn. Ar ergyd gan Evans yn erbyn y bar. Elliot Evans sydd wedi rhoi taran yn erbyn y bar. Sicr cyfle gorau'r ymwelwyr yn yr ail hanner.
Really pleased with the clean sheet, and when you come to Bala, to come away with a clean sheet is important, and we've done that today. So in the first 4 games of the season, we've had 3 clean sheets, which is vitally important. But on the context of the game, I think if you look at who's the best of the goalkeepers, I think you'll find it's Alex Ramsey, Adam Roscoe shot first half, Elliot Evans hit the crossbar, Matt Chubb 2 headers, and we've kept them out. So it was really important that we were on the front foot, and I thought we did that very well.
Probably over the 90 minutes, a draw was probably a fair result. I mean, we huffed and puffed. We thought we should have had a penalty in the second half, but I think if either team would have won or lost on the day, it would have been harsh, really, for the other team.
I told everybody at the football club last year that after 13 years of service to the football club, that I felt it was time not to move on from the football club but to stand aside. In those 13 years, 13 trophies, incredible success both on and off the pitch. So it was something I'm happy with. Last year at the university, I went for a senior position, but unfortunately I didn't accept the role because in doing so I'd have to leave the football club, and I wasn't ready for that. And I think after those 13 years, I've done my job. And my job for me was to take the football club and give it some respect. I believe I've done that with the football club, along with other people along the way. But it's a decision I'm happy with, it's a decision I'm looking forward to, but it's also a decision that I can't wait for this season to unfold, because I'm still 100% giving every week, every training session, hence the hoarse voice today. But I'm happy with it. It's been an incredible journey, made some incredible friends, and I look forward to it, but at the same time I know it's going to be different, and that's the way life goes.